Hi, I'm Dr. Kathy Frazier from the Houston Dentist. Let's talk about snoring. You wonder, why does a dentist ask me if I sleep well? Well, there are a lot of dental signs that we can see in your mouth just by looking to see if we think you might have signs that you don't sleep very well. A sleep breathing disorder could shorten your life. It could allow you to have diabetes sooner, stroke and heart attack, some forms of cancer, maybe forget who you are when you're an older person. So why don't we see if you do have a sleep issue? We have screening devices. It's super easy. All you do is blow into a tube. It's software, and we can see if you need to see an ENT or if you have a problem with your airway. So yes, your dentist can possibly save your life and maybe even allow your wife to come back to sleep with you. So if you're interested in learning how to stop snoring and to breathe better for longevity, give us a call.